Hi mama, take a deep breath. If you're worried about low milk supply, I want you to hear this first. Most mothers do have enough milk. The supply just needs a little guidance to flow better. And in today's video, as a pediatrician who has helped thousands of mothers, I'm going to walk you through exactly what increases milk supply gently, naturally, and without any stress. Hi, I'm Dr. Abhinav Malhotra, your friendly pediatrician, and I know how emotionally heavy breastfeeding can feel, because it's not just feeding, it's reassurance, bonding, and a mother's instinct all wrapped up together. So today I'm breaking down 10 deeply effective, medically backed techniques to increase breast milk supply with clarity, calmness, and compassion. Let's dive deep into it. Number 1. Frequent feeding is the most powerful step. Milk works on demand and supply. Each time your baby suckles, nerves in your breast send signals to your brain saying, baby needs milk, start production. Feed every 2 to 3 hours during the day. Do not wait for crying. Crying is a late hunger sign. You are not running out of milk. Your body makes milk continuously. Every time you feed, you're placing an order for the next feed. It's literally like your breast isn't a storage godown. It's an Amazon Prime factory with super fast delivery. Point number 2. A deep, correct latch makes all the difference. A shallow latch is the biggest reason moms feel supply is low, because the milk isn't being removed efficiently. Signs of a good latch: baby's mouth is wide open, more areola visible on top than bottom. Baby's chin touches the breast. Slow, rhythmic, suck-swallow pattern. Why this matters? The emptier the breast, the stronger the signal. The more milk your body makes. Your body wants to feed your baby. A small adjustment in latch can completely change supply. You're not failing, you just need technique. Ensure one breast is emptied before switching. That's point number 3. When you switch breasts too soon, your baby only gets the foremilk, which is thin and watery. The hind milk is rich and calorie dense and comes later. Finishing one side fully gives baby satiety or satisfaction, signals your body to make more, and prevents that breast engorgement. Think of foremilk as soup and hind milk as the main course. Never skip the main course. Point number 4. Avoid timed feeds. Follow your baby, not the clock. Every baby is different. Some feed faster, some slower. Watching the clock creates unnecessary stress. The signs that your baby is done feeding are: the baby's hands will become relaxed, the jaw stops moving, baby naturally unlatches. If your baby feeds for 10 minutes or 40 minutes, both are normal. Your body adapts beautifully to your baby's style. Point number 5. Pump after feeds to boost supply. When supply needs a quick boost, this is a powerful trick. How to do it? Pump for 10 minutes after 2 to 3 feeds per day. Best time is morning when natural supply is higher. Even if you get a few drops, this still boosts supply. Let me explain power pumping for mothers who need faster increase. 20 minutes of pump, 10 minutes of rest. 10 minutes of pump, 10 minutes of rest. And then again 10 minutes of pump. Don't worry about how much you pump. Pumping is just stimulation, not some milk exam. Drops still make a big difference. Point number 6. Breast compression. Simple but really magical. While your baby is feeding, gently compress the breast from the sides. This increases milk flow, keeps your baby actively drinking, and helps empty the breasts better. It's perfect for sleepy babies or those slow feeders. Think of it pressing a toothpaste tube gently from the middle. Point number 7. Eat enough calories plus lactation foods. You need approximately 400 to 500 extra calories per day while you are breastfeeding. Under eating actually reduces supply quickly. Lactation friendly Indian foods are oats, methi, saunf, ajwain, those gond laddus, dal, ghee and nuts. What actually matters is quality and quantity of your meals, not fancy lactation cookies. You don't need exotic diet plans. Simple home food is powerful enough to build milk. Point number 8. Hydration, but in a relaxed way. You don't need to drown in water. Just drink a glass of water before breastfeeding, a glass after breastfeeding, and especially when you're thirsty. No need to walk around like a water tank on wheels. Your body is intelligent. Thirst is the signal. Trust it. Point number 9. Reduce stress. Oxytocin controls the letdown reflex. Stress reduces the letdown reflex. Even if milk is present, it doesn't flow smoothly. Ways to boost oxytocin: skin to skin contact with your baby, warm showers, soft music, slow breathing, feeding in a comfortable posture. Now, you don't have to be perfectly calm. Just give your body permission to relax a little. It responds beautifully. Point number 10. Avoid early bottles and pacifiers if you have to really use a bottle. Because if given in the early weeks, this reduces time at the breast, reduces stimulation, reduces supply. If bottle must be given, use paced feeding. Slows the bottle flow to mimic the breast. You're not doing anything wrong. We just need to protect your stimulation in the early weeks so your baby doesn't get confused. Here's a bonus tip. Skin to skin is magic. Hold your baby against your chest with their diaper on them only 10 to 15 minutes before feeds. This skyrockets the oxytocin, the letdown reflex and baby's rooting reflex. This one simple step increases milk in many ways the mothers don't even realize. So mama, please remember, low milk supply is almost always fixable. Your body is designed for this. You're doing an amazing job, even on the days that you feel unsure. And if you want more newborn and breastfeeding videos, hit like and subscribe. I'm here with you every step of your journey.